Hi there, Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management. I'm with you today to invite you to join me for a complimentary webinar I'm doing on how to become a millionaire. It's going to be held on February 28th at 2 p.m. Eastern. So if you are tired of playing the price war games, fighting for scraps, and just discounting your treatments and your products to death, then you definitely want to join me. So here's the fact, you guys. What you offer is not a life and death situation. People don't have to have cool sculpting. They don't have to have Botox. It's not like it's brain surgery that they have to have it to live, or a heart operation. So what we do often, or what you do, I should say often, is end up discounting and playing the price war games because you want to be busier. But instead, what I want to teach you during this 1-hour webinar is how to attract the affluent. As a matter of fact, it's part of the system that we teach during the Millionaire Circle seminar. So the system is the T.M.S.P system. The T is how to target the affluent. That's most important, because then you don't have to worry about playing the price war games and discounting your treatments to death. The M is how to market to the affluent, because the way you market to them is totally different than you market to somebody else who's looking for discounts. And then how to sell them. That's what the S is in the system, because how you sell the affluent, again, is totally different than you sell other people. It's like when you walk into a dealership of a Tesla or a Bentley, those salespeople are not your same salespeople and approach when you go to buy a Hyundai. And then the P in the T.M.S.P system is the profitability, is how to profit. Because you see, you could make millions, but you're not making millions. There's a big difference between the two. There's a big difference between a Medi-Spa or a day spa generating 1, 2, 3, 4, or even 5 million or more, but how much are you getting to keep? And that's what this event is all about. I want to open up your eyes to what is possible there. As a matter of fact, the theme of our year here at InSPAration is endless possibilities. So you really have endless possibilities. So in this 1-hour webinar, it's going to be a nice little preview for you on what the T.M.S.P system is all about and how you can implement some of those strategies and definitely see a difference. Now, once you like the webinar and you want to learn more about the T.M.S.P system and the Millionaire Circle, I invite you to go to InSPArationManagement.com to learn more about it. But in the meantime, you should register for the webinar, so at least I can get you started towards your path to getting into the Millionaire Circle. So go ahead and register. This event will definitely be sold out, but I want to make sure you have a seat. It's going to be a Zoom webinar, so you need to be in front of a computer so you get the most out of it. So go ahead and register, and I will see you on February 28th at 2 p.m. Eastern. Until then, stay inspired. Bye now.